What's up, guys, and welcome back to the garage of counter steers or something. I don't know. The chain on my VFR is messed up. Here, have a look. So today, we're gonna replace it. Let's go. Yikes! It's my first time doing a chain on this bike, so I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do. But we're gonna learn together. To access the front sprocket, I've got to take this whole situation off, so it looks like the fairing's got to come off. So, we'll see. Now we've got clear access to this situation. I think that's a 8mm. I guess now we gotta cut the chain off. So this is an original Honda chain. It's got about 20,000 miles on it, so it's hurting. Because it's original, it doesn't have a master link, and I don't have a chain breaking tool. So I have a chain breaking tool. Hey, chain breaking tool. All right, so let's take a look at this. Woo! Thread lock. Woo, too much. That's all right. I'm okay using a little extra thread lock because this is not something we want coming off. All right, time to torque these to spec. Rear's done. Let's blow off the front one. We're almost done. And that's off. Same size. This one's got like some rubbery bushing type material. This is all aluminum. But yeah, I guess we'll see. Oh, there we go. This is another guy we don't want coming off. And send it home. New chain, she's all waxed up and very nice. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I might just try and feed it in the same way it came out. Do a little something like that. And then send it through. Yeah. There we go. Oops, make sure she stays on there. Hey, cool. Get this back in neutral. And spin it around. Hey, hey, there we go. Make sure she comes down here. All right. Whew. That chain is quite a bit shorter than the stretched out one, so we're gonna have to loosen the adjustment and get them a little closer. That's good. That gives us more adjustment because I think it was maxed out. Okay, master link time. He goes there, and then he goes there. Some O-rings on it. And then the plate. Now we gotta squeeze that bitch together. All right, master link is on. Now let's put together the hydraulic clutch. let's adjust the chain tension, and then I think we're done. Now for chain tension, I've got the coolest little tool here. So this little guy, basically what this does is it puts a little bit of tension on the chain. So we're gonna throw this thing on the chain. It's gonna hold the tension, and then we're gonna just crank it down as tight as it goes until we get the line right in the middle. I'll show you how it works. It's pretty cool. There we are. So we are dialed in now. With the tool on there, we will take this guy off. Whee! And now we've got a perfect 1-inch bit of slack in the chain. And we're looking good. That's the end of that. Thanks for coming by and working on the bike with me. It's been fun. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Smash the little like button. Tells me I'm doing a good job. And come back next Taco Tuesday for another video. Could be bike stuff, could be truck stuff. Who knows? I don't even know yet. So I'm not holding out on you. I haven't even shot the next video yet. It's been a little tight, but hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.